I've hated this wall since we had this house 3.5 months ago. And I'm just gonna do it. I didn't tell Matt. Well, my dad just came in and killed this wall. Now we got a big old open space. Whoa. This used to be like a cave right over here. Can you tell that it used to be a garage? I thought, every time we thought we could leave something by itself, like this awesome little wall here, nope.
Took it out.
Took it out. Look at that wiring though. Woo, not 1940s anymore. Updated. Still count. Now we have our new recessed lights in. Oh my gosh. It just looks so much better and more bright. We had no lights in this room before. The windows. You can tell I'm cleaning the outside right now. The outside of the house. Oh. It is October 5th. A wonderful day. It's sunny. What are we doing, bub?
We're doing it. Got all insulation. Do you want to save this one?
Yeah, we can chuck it in the ceiling.
Okay.
I don't see any icky on it.
Just a little bit of dirt, that's fine.
Yeah, dirt's fine. Alright. You saw in the last clip that I tucked down one wall. Well, we did a little bit more today. So this used to be the garage back here. And so you can tell this was a 2-car garage back in the day. You can see the exact frame of it. But as we were taking out all the insulation, that doesn't look too good. We have to get all this replaced because it's pretty bad everywhere. But at least these walls are okay. See, it would be so cool if we could have this closet. It would be like our clothes and shenanigans closet. If we can just scoot it over like 2 places.
This one had all the poop. I'm gonna sweep it up. It's pretty nasty to walk on.
Oh yeah. It's a lot of poop.
Do you mind?
I'll clean it.
Could you help me open the gate? This thing's heavy.
Welcome to our humble abode. Watch your step.
Hey!
We're taking off all the ceiling insulation.
Crap poop insulation. Gross.
Yeah. Yesterday we did all the walls because it was so old. The plywood. And it was very easy to tear down all of it. Oh crap. Except this area. We didn't do this area, babe.
Yeah. I want to call it plywood. It's like cardboard?
Cardboard? Yeah, it was so easy to rip off.
Popwood?
Can you imagine now? We're gonna lift this up a little bit. Welcome to our closet.
Not that thick.
What are you gonna do now?
Probably put some more of that quickset in here because it's not that thick.
Where are you gonna put it?
On the ceiling to patch it.
I'm gonna start scraping this beautiful thing off.
Oh, nice. Watch out for my backpack and my shoes. Please be
I'm
careful.
scraping it all. Look at that nice back door. Look at that gap. Dang.
Look at that big old gap.
What are you gonna do?
Keep cutting this. Cut all the ribs. I think we'd have about enough to go on each one. I don't know if we absolutely need to go on each one. Keep going. Make another template.
And Friday night we did the spray insulation film on all the walls back here, because when we first got here it was freezing in the back of the house. So we got all that. Look at you! Huh. Good job.
Nice.
I'm working on filling up this corner, which will be our closet. You can see where that garbage bag is. We're making this whole space one big walk-in closet for like snowboard gear and knickknacks and whatever else we don't want to see all the time. And Matt right now is in the TV room once we have walls up. Noticed that something has gone missing at my house. It's a bit of a big thing, a bit of a shock. Hi, Dad. A few hours later, we have one window